Are you curious about the health and environmental benefits of a plant-based diet? Do you want to learn about the science behind plant-based diets and how they can improve your health and save the planet? Look no further. In this video, we're going to take a look at Simon Hill's book, The Proof is in the Plants: How Science Shows a Plant-Based Diet Could Save Your Life and the Planet, and explore the key concepts that can help you understand the benefits of a plant-based diet. From the health benefits of a plant-based diet and how it can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, to the environmental benefits and how it can help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation. We'll also provide tips and strategies on how to transition to a plant-based diet, including meal planning, shopping, and cooking. So, stay tuned and learn how to improve your health and the planet with a plant-based diet. 1. A plant-based diet is beneficial for human health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. A plant-based diet, which primarily consists of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts, has been shown to be beneficial for human health in many ways. One of the most significant benefits is that it can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Studies have shown that people who consume a plant-based diet tend to have lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and a lower body mass index, BMI, compared to those who consume a diet high in animal products. This is likely due to the fact that plant-based diets are high in fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals, which have been shown to have a positive effect on heart health. Additionally, a plant-based diet is also low in saturated fats and cholesterol, which are known risk factors for heart disease. Furthermore, a plant-based diet is also associated with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes, as it is typically low in added sugars and refined carbohydrates, which are known risk factors for the disease. It has also been found that a plant-based diet can lower the risk of certain types of cancer, such as colon, prostate, and breast cancer. 2. Plant-based diets are also beneficial for the environment, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation. Plant-based diets are not only beneficial for human health, but also for the environment. By choosing to consume more plant-based foods and less animal products, we can greatly reduce our carbon footprint and contribute to the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. Animal agriculture is a leading contributor to climate change, as it generates significant amounts of methane, nitrous oxide, and carbon dioxide. In contrast, plant-based diets require less land, water, and energy to produce, and therefore have a smaller environmental impact. Additionally, plant-based diets also help to reduce deforestation, as land is cleared for animal grazing and feed crop production. By choosing a plant-based diet, we can help to mitigate the effects of climate change and contribute to the preservation of natural habitats and biodiversity. It's a win-win situation for both personal health and the health of the planet. 3. Plant-based diets can provide all the necessary nutrients for a healthy diet. Plant-based diets can provide all the necessary nutrients for a healthy diet. It's a common misconception that plant-based diets are lacking in important nutrients, but in reality, they can provide all the necessary vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients that the body needs to function properly. Plant-based diets are rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C and potassium, which are found in fruits and vegetables, as well as essential fatty acids, which can be found in nuts and seeds. They also provide high-quality protein, which can be found in legumes, tofu, and tempeh. Additionally, plant-based diets are low in saturated fat and cholesterol, making them beneficial for heart health. They also have high fiber content, which is helpful for digestion and maintaining a healthy weight. With a well-planned plant-based diet and the right food choices, you can easily meet all your nutritional needs. 4. The consumption of animal products is linked to higher rates of chronic diseases and increased environmental impact. The consumption of animal products is linked to higher rates of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. This is due to the high levels of saturated fat and cholesterol found in animal products, which can increase the risk of these diseases. Additionally, a diet high in animal products can lead to a higher risk of obesity, which is a major risk factor for chronic diseases. On the other hand, a plant-based diet, which is high in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, is associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases. Plant-based diets are also beneficial for the environment, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation. The production of animal products requires more resources and causes more pollution compared to plant-based products, and it's also a major contributor to deforestation and land use change. Adopting a plant-based diet is not only beneficial for our health but also for the planet's health. It's a win-win situation. 5. Plant-based diets can help to improve gut health and microbiome diversity. Plant-based diets can have a significant impact on gut health and the diversity of the microbiome. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes can provide a wide variety of fibers and phytochemicals that support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. These beneficial bacteria play an important role in maintaining a healthy gut and immune system, as well as controlling inflammation and metabolism. Additionally, plant-based diets can help to improve the diversity of the microbiome, which is crucial for overall health. A diverse microbiome is associated with a stronger immune system, improved digestion, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Furthermore, a plant-based diet has been shown to reduce the risk of gut-related conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease and colorectal cancer. Overall, incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet can have a positive impact on gut health and the diversity of the microbiome. 6. The production of animal products requires more resources and causes more pollution compared to plant-based products. The production of animal products requires more resources and causes more pollution compared to plant-based products. This is because raising animals for food requires large amounts of land, water, and other resources. The production of animal feed and the transportation of animals and animal products also contribute to the environmental impact. Additionally, animal agriculture is a leading cause of deforestation, as well as a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions and water pollution. In contrast, plant-based products require less land, water, and other resources to produce. They also produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions and cause less water pollution. Choosing plant-based products over animal products is an effective way to reduce our environmental impact and help to preserve resources for future generations. Also, it's important to mention that not only the production of animal products is a problem but also the waste and pollution generated by the meat industry, such as the use of antibiotics, hormones and pesticides, which can have negative consequences for human and animal health, as well as for the environment. 7. Plant-based diets can improve athletic performance and recovery. Plant-based diets can provide all the necessary nutrients for optimal athletic performance and recovery. Studies have shown that plant-based diets can improve endurance, strength, and power. This is due to the high intake of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, which provide essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Plant-based diets also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery time. Additionally, plant-based diets are typically low in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can reduce the risk of heart disease, a common problem among athletes. Plant-based diets can also help to maintain a healthy body weight, which is important for athletes since excessive body fat can negatively affect performance. Overall, plant-based diets can provide a wide range of benefits for athletes, including improved performance and recovery, better health and well-being, and a lower risk of chronic diseases. 8. Plant-based diets are more sustainable and can help to combat world hunger. Plant-based diets are not only beneficial for human health, but also for the environment. They are more sustainable because they require less resources to produce and generate less pollution than animal-based products. Animal agriculture is a leading cause of deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. By switching to a plant-based diet, we can reduce our impact on the environment and help to conserve resources for future generations. Additionally, plant-based diets can also help to combat world hunger. Feeding grains and soybeans to animals for meat production is a highly inefficient use of resources. It takes up to 16 pounds of grain to produce just 1 pound of beef. By eating plant-based diets, we can use these grains to feed more people, as well as reduce the strain on the environment. By switching to a plant-based diet, we can not only improve our health but also make a positive impact on the environment and combat world hunger. It's a win-win situation. Plant-based diets are a more sustainable and efficient way to feed the growing population while ensuring the preservation of our planet. 9. A plant-based diet can improve mental health and cognitive function. A plant-based diet can improve mental health and cognitive function in several ways. Studies have shown that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes is associated with a lower risk of depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline. These foods are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for maintaining good mental health. Additionally, plant-based diets are low in saturated fats, which have been linked to poor cognitive function and an increased risk of dementia. A plant-based diet can also help to improve gut health, which is important for maintaining a healthy brain. The gut and brain are connected through the gut-brain axis, and a healthy gut can lead to improved mood and cognitive function. Additionally, a plant-based diet can help to reduce inflammation, which is a risk factor for many mental health disorders. Overall, a plant-based diet is a great way to improve mental health and cognitive function, and it is beneficial for both short-term and long-term brain health. 10. The book provides scientific evidence and practical tips for transitioning to a plant-based diet, including meal planning, shopping, and cooking. Transitioning to a plant-based diet can seem daunting, but with the right information and resources, it can be a smooth and enjoyable process. One of the key things to keep in mind is meal planning. Start by researching different plant-based foods and their nutritional values, and then use that knowledge to create balanced and delicious meals. Meal prepping can also be helpful in making sure you always have healthy options on hand. When it comes to shopping, it's important to familiarize yourself with the different types of plant-based options available at your local grocery store, and to stock up on staples like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Cooking can also be a fun and creative process when it comes to plant-based food. There are a plethora of plant-based cookbooks and online resources available that offer a wide range of recipes and cooking tips to help you create delicious and satisfying meals. With the right knowledge, planning, and resources, transitioning to a plant-based diet can be an easy and enjoyable process that provides you with many health and environmental benefits.